Ayan guys. So, this is it. Very nice packaging with bubble wraps. Here it is guys. This is a dash cam from Asdome and yung model niya is M550 Pro. I chose this dash cam though I've been wanting to buy for a long time already because this one right here is still working but I'm having a hard time sa pag-extract ng file because this model is wala na siyang cellphone app, so I cannot access through the Wi-Fi. So kailangan ko siyang i-extract through the micro SD. So I think that is very hard for me, and also I would like to do an upgrade. And this one I got here has 3 cameras, or they call it 3 channels. One sa harap, another one sa likod, and the third one is for the inside the cabin. As you all know, I'm a vlogger, so I've been looking for a dash cam na meron siyang camera sa harap or sa loob para makapture ko yung mga wonderful moments namin with the family. Kasi I've missed a lot of wonderful conversations, wonderful moments with my kids and with my wife while driving. So this one, I hope na maganda yung quality and we will know later. So let's do the unboxing para may pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung nasa loob. I am hoping that I can install this immediately if the time permits kasi hapon na. So we will try. But for now, yung goal ko lang talaga is to unbox this. Sealed talaga siya. Ayan. Nice. I'm so excited. By the way, the price of this dashcam is something around 4,000 to 6,000 depending on the memory of the SD card. Very nice box. Again, it's Ashdome M550 Pro dashcam. So, let's do this. Very tight. Alright, so inside the box, user manual. We have the clips and prying tool, charging cable with the micro SD port, and the charger. And this one is the secondary camera para sa likod. Wow. One thing I like about this kasi rotating siya. So naa-adjust yung camera sa likod, yung angle. Alright? And then the actual camera. Ito siya. Teka, pinahihirapan ako. So this is it guys. Wow. So this is for the inside or for the cabin. So this is modular. Nababaklas siya. Oh, nice. USB-C pala to. Itong pangatlong camera. So dapat nakalagay siya dito. First thing is we need to activate the system para makita natin yung ano yung dapat na positioning niya or yung angle ng camera. Alright? So that's what's inside the box. So meron siyang dalawa para sa front camera and then dalawa rin para sa rear camera. Very nice. And this cabin camera is meron siyang rotating na mechanism. So I can adjust the angle here. So I'll show you later the quality of the video para makita nyo kung worth it ba. But based on the reviews, maganda siya. So let me do this. Let me install it and I'll share some clips on how to install it. Alright? So first thing, I'm gonna take off this old camera. Alright? I'll see you later. So tanggalin na natin to. So on natin yung unit para may power yung dashcam. This is to check kung match ba yung power cable. Yun, nag-flash. Okay. So naka-green. For your own safety, do not operate the device while driving. Wow. So English, okay. So we are good to go. SD card is loading. So ganyan yung angle niya. Oh. So ganyan siya dapat. Hindi ba siya magiging ano? Nagtitilt pala to. So, natitilt ito. So, dahil sa ganito yung ano niya, so ganito dapat yung angle niya. Hindi siya dito. So, dapat dito siya. Mas maganda kung dito siya. Because it will have a good angle sa cabin camera. Kasi pag dito, parang ang pangit eh. Teka ha. Hindi rin siya maganda yung angle niya. So pag ganyan. So, pwede ba siya? Ganyan. Okay.